Hey everyone, welcome to DataFuture. I am Charan. I have total 7 plus years of experience in data engineering and big data tech stack. This is a part of our SQL interview series where we tackle the most frequently asked SQL question with hands-on demos. Let's see our today's interview question. Given a table called employee with the following columns: ID, employee name, manager name, and salary. We want to find out who earns more than their manager. I will take you all to Notepad++ and explain the table. Here we can see we have an employee table and it contains ID, employee name, manager name, and salary. Here we have to compare employee salary is greater than their manager's salary. Okay. Here we can see we have total 5 records and Charan is earning more than his manager and Amit is earning less than his manager and Anil is earning more than his manager. Ravi is earning more than his manager. Okay. So when you are writing a SQL query, we have to get only Charan, Anil and Ravi's information. We should not get Amit information because Amit is earning less than his manager. Okay. Let's write a SQL query for this. Here I am using MySQL Workbench and I have already created a table called employee. It contains ID, employee name, manager name and salary with the same data. Okay, let's start writing SQL query for this. Here we have a trick. Here you can see employee information and the manager information both are in the same table. Okay, so we have to compare employee salary with manager salary. So for that we have to use self join here. Okay, here we join the table to itself. Why? Because we want to compare each employee salary with their manager's salary and the manager is also in the same table. So we do a self join here. Okay, so let's write a SQL query for this. I'll consider employee 1 and again I'm joining with the employee table. I'll give alias as employee 2 E2. On condition I will go for going with manager name should equals to E2 with employee name. Okay, employee name. So and also we have a condition called where E1 dot salary, employee salary is greater than manager salary. Okay, so this is a very simple SQL query. I will consider few columns here for comparing the data. First I will take employee name, employee salary, manager name, and manager salary. Okay, so I'll execute this. Here we can see as I shown in the Notepad++, these are the 3 employee who is earning more than the manager salary. Okay, so in my query I need to get only employee names who is earning more than the manager. Okay, I'll execute this. So I will get Ravi, Charan and Anil. Okay, this question checks your understanding of self joins and relational thinking. That's all from my side. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to DataFuture YouTube channel. Thank you.